Jesus Christ.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
Me not gonna lie, should have the keys to my heart too. Look, Jesus Christ! Woo! Hey! I didn't even realize I paused the video right there. That's crazy. Talk to them, Masicka.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She
Reaction.
Boom! What's the way to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? I'm back in the video for you guys. We have a song from Masicka. The song is called 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Official video. Come out 3 days ago. Yes. I'm not late with the reaction. I'm just now doing the reaction. Why? I want y'all to see the song first and listen to the song first and then you come pre the reaction. Boss, can you see me react to it? If I get in the video, you know chop go already. You see me I say if the lyrics bad, you know chop go already. You see me I say I go analyze the video and the lyrics also. Anyways, the monthly channel on YouTube, someone if you subscribe right now, if you're not subscribed, like if you're new, smash the subscribe button. If you're not new, just like the video and just look for emoji. Y'all know that already, you know? Let's get straight to the video. Let's chat things. Follow my Instagram at TyrekeReacts. It's right there, so. As always, run through. Ja!
just too dangerous around you.
Y'all know what's going on already. Y'all know what's gonna happen already, right? Y'all know. Alright. I ain't even gonna tell you what's gonna happen. She look good. That's all I gotta say.
Just too dangerous.
Woo!
Just too dangerous around you.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I want to go back up on the cheeks, them, the thighs, them real quick. There, so I want to see that. Oh, jeez. It does properly clean. I even can't use a clean shave, it wax. You see me? We can't say clean shave, it wax. Jesus Christ.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
I'm not gonna lie, should have the keys to my heart too. Look, Jesus Christ! Woo! Hey! I didn't even realize I paused the video right there. That's crazy. Talk to them, Masicka.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
Say speak to him. It's free to him. It's speak to him. Should have the keys to my heart too. Jesus Christ. Even our armpit clean, but we're not talking about that. No, we're not going so far, blood clot. Go on.
Baby, your body speak to me, freak to me, keys.
Hold on. Just imagine a loud, like, look at the cheeks. Right? Just look at the cheeks. That's even, like, hold on. That not even loud enough to the amount of ricochet when I get off a... Jesus Christ. Come here, Masicka.
To me, she got the keys to my heart. Don't know which path to start. Be a bit of wine, then you lock off the chart. Crazy, don't you?
I said we don't have to start, baby. Your wine alone and lock off. Jesus Christ. She back it up on him. Nah, me watch her stop chatting.
Ride with me, you talk the talk. Me fall for you, no matter which part me walk. Lights come action and you cause the spark. Hey, can you?
I say, baby girl, I'm gonna fall for you. It no matter which part you walk. No matter which part. I know I said that ass there. I struggle because of the fat ass to dip on the ass. Jesus Christ, I get it! I'm there in a room, I laugh at myself. Yeah.
Put it fast, ride on. Me feel like a boss. Eyes on you, girl, because the style gone. You, girl, a class, the price on.
Alright, Masicka, we here. Listen, me have to go back in the song, because I don't listen to the song already now. You see me there for the reaction, boss reaction. You know that. You must say right there like, you done with chop already. Run it.
Tell me the cause. Living life on, don't need fast. What a blessing in the jazz. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me. The jazz.
Why me can't get a girl look like this now? Like, why me can't get a girl look like this? Why me can't get a girl look like this? Sure, no star.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your
even on the sun, baby, your body ever speak to me. It have, baby, me get the keys. What's wrong with that? Why key them? You have it already.
body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
Hey, cameraman, now I'm probably with it. If you blur the good scene, cameraman. We want to see the chicks in the pool, cameraman. Don't do it again. Then we get hurt. I'm playing it. Go on.
Baby, your body speak to me, freak to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
She kind of like Lady Saw. I like me I tell. Yo. Tell me if I tell to blood clot. Hold on, Masicka. You say a goat a while ago. You know, I'm calling the goat. I see a crocodile every day now. What go on? Because people that are bad, the people that are bash out Masicka, man, why not you for Masicka so on the dog? You're not supposed to support Masicka at all cost. You see me I say, go on.
You got my heart on lockdown. Can't wait for you to come back round. Wine from the top and she no stop moan. Wine from where you be and you is not clown. You lying to
shake it in the place. She barely a move, it a clap. Charger.
for me life non-stop, yo. Leave me side, girl, not now. Fling it up and then you drop low. Your phone, me bring it up till it at you. Baby, you
yes, fling it up and then you drop low. Your phone, bring it up until it at you. The man a blow up your line. Who not see the Masicka? Who not see the Masicka? Me not think the man see the Masicka. Me not think so. Me not think the man see the Masicka like that. Oh my gosh.
body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
People even the them a poke out through the dress. Me blood clot. No, me too thirsty. Me too thirsty for that girl. Hold on, I'm calm myself down. Yeah. Compose myself. Run the tune now.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
You know
Keys to me.
You know me done. I say me done. Nah, I don't know more. Me done. What have you done? I want to see what go on in that video. Alright, I think I'll fuck it. Alright. I think I'll fuck it. But people, it was a good song. You know what I say? It was a good song. It was a nice video. I'm not gonna lie, for the past 2 Sundays from Masicka, the video's been videoing. But the blood clot you call my phone for. I'm butt clot. But yeah, for the past 2 songs the video's been videoing. So I'm gonna soon another one. Peace.